Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to insert diagonal line in Excel to split cells diagonally to make two headers in one cell, like this. Let us begin. In this table, we have revenue for each company in January to April. From left to right, we have month, and top to bottom, we have company. First write month, press Alt and then Enter. If you are a Mac user, press Option and then Enter. Then write company. Now I want to split the cell diagonally. Right-click on the cell, Format Cells. Here we have different options, but we need border. We have different lines. Or in font section, you can click here, more borders. It gives you the same dialog box. I'm going to use this line. Here you have two options, diagonal from left to right, or we have diagonal from right to left. I need this one, right to left. Press OK. Now the cell is splitted, but I want to adjust the text to the cell. Double click, give space. As you can see, the text is adjusted. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.